Okay, here we have that in a triangle ABC, the angle at B is 39 degrees and the angle at C is 82 degrees, while side A, I know this is the side because it is denoted with a lowercase letter a, 6.73 centimeter. So I'm to find the side C, So the first thing is you have a triangle drawn, even if it is not given. Many times you might have only the parameters given to you. So that means you need to produce a triangle. Now, we have a triangle. Let's impute all the given parameters in this triangle. So the first thing is, okay, let's start with the angles given. That means we need to label these triangles as given. So let's call this angle A. Let's call this angle B. And let's call this angle C, respectively. Now the angle at B is given 39 degrees. Put that. The angle at C, 82 degrees. We have. And the side A, that means the corresponding side facing the angle A is 6.73 centimeters. 6.73 centimeters. So we have to find the side C. This is the unknown you're looking for. This is the unknown. Now, as we know, that the sine rule relates two sides of a triangle with what? Their corresponding angles. Here, we have two sides. That's the side C and the side A, which is 6.73. And the two angles here are 82 degrees, that's the angle at C, and 39 degrees, which is the angle at B. But there is no way we can find side C without another angle or another side. So since we have side A, to be a great deal to find or calculate the angle at A, so we can now use the sine rule to relate the angle at A with side A and the angle at B and the angle at C with side C. So still use our simple rule from our geometry, which says that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That is, the angle at A plus the angle at B plus the angle at C is 180 degrees. That's angles in a triangle. So that means we can calculate the angle at A now. Given the angle at B as 39 degrees and the angle at C as 82 degrees equals to 180. So that means our angle at A is exactly 180 degrees minus the sum of 39 and 82 should give us 121 degrees. So that means our angle A is exactly 59 degrees. So having gotten the angle at A now as 59 degrees, we can use our sine rule to relate the side A and angle at A with what? Side C and the angle at C. So using our sine rule, so from sine rule or sine formula, we now have that the sine of the angle at A divided by the corresponding side of A is the same as the sine of the angle at C divided by the corresponding side of C. So we have that the angle at A is 59 degrees divided by the side A is 6.73 in centimeter equals the sine of the angle at C, which is sine 82 degrees divided by C, which is the unknown we are looking for. So we can simply write by cross multiplying C as the subject of formula as 6.73 multiplied by sine 82 degrees, all divided by the sine of 59 degrees. So, once again, we can obtain the sine of our angles using our four-figure table or just by punching our calculator. So, using our calculator, we should have sine 82 degrees as 0.9602 all divided by sine 59 degrees will be 0.7996. Okay, can actually round this up to 0.7997. Okay, let's round it off, or let's just leave it that way. Let's leave it. So multiplying and dividing through by this should give us 7.775. So that means the value of our side C is 7.7. I'll write it to 2 decimal places. So that is the solution to the second example. So you can always go through over and over again for more clarification.